Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows 11 25H2 update not showing. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your Windows 11 update 25H2 and it is not updating, then I will show you couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to just click on the search, then type here settings, click on the settings, click on update and security, then click on Windows update. Here you have to click on check for update. If this option is disabled, you have to just enable this option. After that, just click on check for update and see whether your issue has been resolved or not. If still you are facing the issue, then what you have to do, you have to just type your services.msc, or you can just type only services. Click on the services. In this you need to find Windows update. Scroll down, you can see here Windows update. Double click on this, click on this startup type, select as automatic, then click on start, click on apply, then click OK. After that, right click on that, then click on start again. After doing this, again you have to open the settings and check whether your update is working or not. If still it is not working, then what you have to do, open the file explorer, go to the C drive, go to this PC, go to C drive, go to Windows, scroll down. Here you will find software distribution folder. Open this and you have to select all this, right click and delete it. After that, just close this window and empty your recycle bin also. After emptying your recycle bin, just you have to restart your PC. After restarting, again you have to try for your Windows update. After this, hope it will work. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows 11 25H2 update not showing or not working on your desktop or laptop. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.